going on, fam bam? How are you doing?
Don't worry about me, I'm doing good, I'm doing great, alright.
This is Modernly Kitchen, aka your favorite fam in the kitchen. Give you the keys to keep your kitchen blessed with no stress. We're working on an awesome recipe, fill you up nice, fill you up right, no matter where you are in the world right now. But it's perfect for the time right now, pot roast. Maybe you want to give them the down low.
We're working with a simple, but really good pot roast. It's super easy, super simple, super flavorful. So you're just gonna get everything in one.
Sometimes I call her my pot roast.
No, rump. Your rump roast.
Oh, rump roast. Is that what it's called?
Anyway.
Make sure you guys, if you haven't already liked the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, as well as follow us on our socials down here below somewhere. They're only gonna be down here. And I hope you guys are really into this awesome video. And stay hungry. Stay tuned.
Alright, so we have our chuck pot roast right here on this cutting board. I have half kosher sea salt, and then I have half some smoked salt. And I got that from my local herbal shop. And we're gonna do a dry brine real quick. I thought about doing a liquid brine, but I was like, no, that's gonna be too messy. And we're just gonna generously salt our pot roast. And we're gonna allow this to sit and allow osmosis to take place. And this salt is really gonna get into the meat. I'm also gonna allow this to be at room temperature before I sear it and braise it. Meat tends to sear better when it's not straight out of the fridge. So I'm gonna allow this to sit for 15 to 20 minutes in order to get our pot roast nice and seasoned on the inside. And we're done. Oh, I forgot new ingredient. Better than bouillon base that I like to use in my pot roast. We have some beef broth here. We're gonna use the majority of these 3 cups to be exact, but I'm gonna just use the rest of this. Some flour, some oil, and most importantly, good juju. The good juju's me.
Oh.
And it should be you too.
I thought it was me, y'all. I'm the juju.
You're the cameraman.
Good juju cameraman.
So right here, I'm just gonna cut up these aren't even tomatoes, these are potatoes. You're about to let me say tomatoes.
Hey, my fault your head's in the gutter.
Just depending on the size of the potato.
See, there you go again.
Depending on the size, you're gonna want to either quarter it or do 6 little cuts. Pot ready. Just get it all heated up. There was a clip already of me dry brining this pot roast. So now I'm gonna come in with some garlic powder and some fresh cracked pepper.
Gotta trust the ancestors.
Yes, the ancestors will tell you when it's time to like do everything involved. They'll let you know when it's too much.
Too much chop.
That's exactly what they say to me.
Really?
I'm playing with my meat.
Eat my meat like it owes me money. Modernly Kitchen does not endorse any good wholesome family fun.
Oh yeah, good wholesome. I have a 4th cup right here. This is all-purpose flour. Washing my hands again.
Real cooks don't use gloves.
I don't like using gloves, but I mean I do. I just feel like your love can't penetrate through the glove. That was not supposed to sound like that. And we're gonna go in for a nice sear. That's what you should be hearing. You should let your pot roast pan sear on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. The longer you let it sear and brown, the more intense and caramelized the flavors are. because we're just braising this. We're not gonna like boil it or submerge the whole roast in. I'm gonna put on top. There we go. You don't want it completely covered. You want it just submerged, if you will. Everything else. You're wondering what's in my herb bouquet. I have some fresh sage. I have 3 leaves of fresh sage, 2 sprigs of thyme, and then 1 sprig of rosemary. And I just tied it up with some kitchen twine. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, cover it, and put it in the oven at 375 for 4.5 hours so it's super tender. All right.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Again.
Alright, so the pot roast is ready. My assistant is handing me a glove after about 4.5 hours. Oh. I'm ready to eat. I know he's ready to eat, so we're gonna eat. Like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to stay blessed, don't stress. All right.